Today we're gonna try the Pringles loaded potato. We've never tried it before, and my daddy's gonna try it.
Oh.
Crazy daddy's gonna try it. Ow! My cat's biting me. Wanna say hi? Is that what you want to do? Open the Pringles can, Daddy, please.
Pringles. Good luck.
Ew, they smell disgusting. They smell like barbecue, actually.
One for you.
They
One
smell
for
like
me.
barbecue.
Good
Smell
luck.
them. They actually smell like barbecue.
Cheers. Okay. Good luck.
I don't like it.
Nope. No.
Yucky. Bye, it's yucky.